Yo! What's up mga kabida? And welcome back to my channel. And for this video, I'm gonna do a MINISO haul, Nepal. So, I just bought this product in MINISO here in Nepal, which we're in Awalakel. So, let's see if what product I bought in MINISO in Awalakel MINISO here in Nepal. So let's start. So this is the items. So let's start with this one bag. Oops. This one is a Hula Hoops. Yes, 8-section detachable Hula Hoops. Yeah, so because of this quarantine, or we get fat, so we need to do some exercise. So I buy this hula hoop. So let's see if what's inside. So there are 2, 4, 6, 8 sections. It says here 8 sections, so you can arrange it. So let's arrange it. Ganito na siya, guys. Next thing I buy is para siyang Pro Setup Bodybuilding Expander. And instead na gaganon manually, meron siyang Pro Setup Bodybuilding Expander. So let's see. Ganito siya, guys. It's kind of cool. So you can put your feet here, your 2 feet here, and then you can pull this one. That's why it's called set up like. Next thing is the Relevo Travel Wash Kit Holder. Ito, pinili ko siya panglalagyan ng mga toothpaste, toothbrush, kasi wala kaming lalagyan. So I decided to buy this one. Yeah. So let's see this. Yan, may cup siya pang mouthwash. 2 cup for mouthwash or water for toothbrush, brushing your teeth, ganon. And then for toothpaste, toothbrush. There are 3 ano ba yun? Yan, I bought some umbrella. Because this few days, it's already this month already, it's a rainy season here in Nepal, so I bought some umbrellas. Captain Marvel. By the way, I just I need to tell the price. This 8-section Hula Hoop detachable is 949 NPR, 949 rupees. And this bodybuilding expander it's also same as 949 also. It's 949 also. And this Relivo travel wash kit holder, it's 499 rupees. Yeah. And this umbrella is this umbrella is 1,220. This umbrella. It's kind of cute. Let's see. It's cute. And product is this one. A face for cosmetic accessories, for a makeup sponge. Like if you want to do your thing here, your concealer or face whatever, face powder. So I buy this, and this is 369 NPR rupees. Yes. Next is MINISO double eyelid sticker. So can you see it? It's double eyelid sticker. So if you want to have some double eyelid, you can put this sticker in your eyelid. Yes. So for this price is 249 rupees. Yes. Next is this eyeshadow pencil brush. So I get attracted by this because you just only need to, if you get lazy already and you want to easy eyeshadow put, and you don't need a brush, and you just can apply in your eyeshadow eyelid directly. And you can have eyeshadow already. So it's quite cool. It's quite cool eyeshadow pencil. So it's really nice. So the color of this, like there's some glitters on it, as you can see. Yes, some glitters. I think it's quite nice. See, it's cool. You can just apply it, and you have an eyeshadow already. It's cool now. Then next is nail care system. So I just see it to my friend, one of my friend vlog. She got this, and I get interested, so I also bought this one. So let's check if it's really working. And this, yeah. And this price is 949 rupees. This nail care system. So let's see. This one indicate here, as you can see. No, you cannot see, but if it indicates here, if you want a buffing tool, cuticles pusher, emery tool, precision shaper, shaping tool. So if you want to remove your cuticle, you can use this thing. So let's try this. Let's try and see. So I just see it in my friend's video vlog. She said like it's kind of scary, but I think so. It's kind of scary, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I already put some battery, and then let's try. Oh. quite cool. Can you see? It's nice, guys. Like if you don't wanna use like a regular pusher for your nail, then definitely this one is really nice. It's so cool. So this product is, I love this product. It's really cool. I love it. So this one, I bought this in, it's kind of it's not MINISO, but it's called Soup Japan. Parang ginagaya lang nila yung MINISO, but it says Soup. Soup. Kung nakikita nyo, it's like Soup. And next is, this is also from Soup. It's called Soup. So here in Nepal, they have like Soup. It's kind of same like the MINISO. Like they have lots of things there for beauty product, for cosmetic, for everything like the MINISO. They also have in Yoyoso and MINISO, but in MINISO it's more cheaper than compared to the two stores. So I prefer the MINISO. So this lid mirror, so I bought this one in Soup in Lavin Mall. So this lid mirror is cost like 1,759 rupees. So it's quite expensive for this mirror, but this mirror have lid, so I like it because when I do some makeup thing, and I can see my face clearly in this mirror because they have lid. So I'll show you guys. And this, guys, you're just gonna press here. Yeah. If you wanna have more lights, you can press more, and here, more lights. Turn off more. If you want more brighter, you can just turn it more. Like this is the lighter, not strong, and this is the medium, and this is the lightest. See, it's cooler, yeah. So if I do makeup thing, then I have some lid light, and easy for me to do makeup. So that's all for today's, guys. And if you like this hauling, please don't forget to hit like and do subscribe below, and share and comment if you like this hauling. And see you in my next vlog, guys.